Hey guys, we received this pencil for Apple iPad 9th and 10th Gen for test and try. It's a fast charge stylus pen for 2024-2018 iPads that includes 6, 7, 8, 9th or 10th generation. As you can see, comes in a nice pack. This is the USB-C charging, and from the other side is a USB, so you can charge it. Let me put it in for charging for some time so I can show it to you. So, as I said, it's compatible with the iPad 6, 7, 8, 9 generation. It's a fast charging and long battery. This is gray in color, the sample I get. And as you can see, so this have the three additional tips, the cover and the charging cover. So this comes with the all accessories so that you can cover this pen. So it will, to save it point. And then also you can change this point like with the additional ones. So this is the microfiber cloth for cleaning and the manual. So you can see the charging indicator. It's all green and full. So this is the charging port cover that you can use. And on and off button is on the top. So this is my iPad 9 Gen. So I'm just writing. It's very smooth and I can really feel very nice. If my palm is touching on the screen, it's rejecting the palm. So that is really nice. So it's a USB-C charging, power display, the pencil tips, on and off button, and it has a magnetic thing to attach with the iPad itself. So this also have a tilt sensitivity, and you can see like the ink, you can change the color, you can rub, you can do all these things. Very nice pencil with a nice processing intelligent chip, and you can take your notes or you can do any digital art or sketching. Very nice pencil overall, and can store in the case or directly can stick to the iPad of the magnetic base. So very nice pencil overall.